Okay, we are going to take the mid-chapter checkpoint. I don't think that math was too hard today, that you couldn't include this in. I am trying to get some ground covered and get through some things a little quicker than, well, I may do it this quick if we were at school. It's just hard for me to know if you're ready to move on or not. Let's go ahead, though, and take the mid-chapter checkpoint as soon as you feel ready before moving on through the chapter. I'm going to offer it today. So I stopped the video and then I just started it again because I had in the plans to do 12.5 and mid-chapter checkpoint, but I did 2 separate videos. So really, I'm just going to talk about the directions. It's on page 465 and 466. And there's some vocabulary. So you're going to want to make sure you know pint, pound, and yard. And then there's a couple of just questions about a cat's weight and the length of a little girl's shoe. And then some converting. Now for these conversions, if you want to look and use your notes or your book, I would be fine with that, because if I, as long as I know how that works, it's okay. I feel like it's okay to look that stuff up. And not necessarily memorize that stuff. So that's okay with me. But you can look back for these 4, 5, or 5, 6, and 7. And then number 8 is just another one of those line plots using a tally table or frequency chart and creating a line plot here. Don't forget that you have to have a label for that. And then there's a couple questions asked about this line plot. And then on this page, it is just for multiple choice. So read the questions and try your best to do. If you need to use conversion, it looks like these are all conversion. So if you need to use those notes that we took to make those conversions, you can go ahead and do that. Or if you need to look back in your book where you might actually find one of those conversion charts, you could use this page if you wanted to. It's okay with me if you look back in the book and use those pages to find your answers. Okay, and that is all.